Excuse me, can we talk for a moment?
Sure. Is something wrong?
The music from your apartment is really loud.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I didn't realize it was disturbing anyone.
I can hear the bass through the walls very clearly.
Really? I thought the volume was okay.
I understand you're enjoying yourself, but I have work early tomorrow morning.
I completely understand. I didn't mean to cause trouble.
I've been trying to sleep for the past hour.
I'm really sorry. Some friends came over tonight, so the music got louder than usual.
That's all right. I just wanted to ask politely before complaining to management.
I appreciate that. I'll lower it immediately.
Thank you. I'd really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Sorry again for the disturbance.
It happens sometimes.
Next time, please let me know earlier if it gets too loud.
Sure, that sounds good.
All right, I'll keep the noise down from now on.
Thanks for understanding. Have a good night.
You too. Sleep well.
Excuse me, could you help me for a second? Sure, what happened? My phone battery just died, and I really need to make an important call. Oh no, do you have your charger with you? Yes, but I can't find a place to charge it. I actually have a power bank in my bag. Really? That would help me a lot. Of course. What type of phone do you have? It's an Android phone. Perfect. I have the right cable for it. Wow, that's lucky. Thank you so much. No problem at all. Here, connect it like this. Great, it's charging now. Good. Your phone should turn on in a minute or two. I was getting really worried because I need to call my family. I understand. It's stressful when your battery dies unexpectedly. Yes, especially when you're outside and alone. That's true. I always carry a power bank for emergencies. That's actually a smart idea. I should start doing that too. It definitely helps a lot. Thanks again for your kindness. You're very welcome. Glad I could help.
Excuse me, could I talk to you for a moment?
Of course, sir. Is everything all right?
Actually, my food is cold.
Oh, I'm very sorry to hear that. Which dish did you order?
The grilled chicken with rice.
I apologize for the inconvenience. Let me check it for you.
I waited quite a while for it, so I was surprised when it arrived cold.
I completely understand your frustration. We must have delayed it by mistake.
Yes, I think it may have been sitting too long in the kitchen.
I'm really sorry about that. Would you like us to prepare a fresh one?
Yes, please. I'd appreciate that.
Absolutely. I'll ask the kitchen to make it immediately.
Thank you.
While you wait, would you like something to drink? It will be complimentary.
That's very kind of you. I'll have some orange juice.
Perfect. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you for handling this professionally.
You're welcome. We want all our customers to enjoy their meals.
I appreciate your help.
Your fresh meal will be ready in a few minutes.